What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have two Supreme pickups. It's from last season, but I was able to find it for a steal. One is from eBay and the other one's from grow.com. With further ado, let me show you guys the purchase. So my first pickup is the Nike Trail Hiking. It's the jacket. They retail for $130. It's in good condition. So the Nike shoes right here is 3M. Show you guys. So here's 3M, and also the Nike and Supreme on the zipper is also 3M. Show you guys the inside tag. Nike Supreme. On the back, got another Nike swoosh, also 3M. And there's this netting pocket that says Supreme, and it's also on It's also 3M. The front two side pocket is also, they have this netting pocket with the really nice zipper. You got this little adjustable. I am looking to get the pant for it, so if you guys want to get rid of yours, or if you guys know anybody that's trying to sell, hit me up. So my second pickup is a pair of Nike Humara, which also released with the jacket and the pant. They retail, I believe, $170, but got it for $130 on eBay. Let me show you guys the box again. It says Supreme, Nike, Supreme on the other side. Come with black laces, but I think I'll leave the green laces on for now. From what I know, this shoe released in '98. Let me show you guys something. So you have Supreme branding right here, 3M. The toe is also 3M right here. Let me show you guys the insole. Nike, Supreme, red, black bottom, minimal green. Is this a size 9? Oh, you got Supreme right here on the tab, the back, and it's also 3M. And I think the eyelets are also 3M too. The shoe are really nice and sturdy. It seems like it's a durable shoe. It's really good for hiking. Would I pay the $170 price tag? No, that's why I waited. Glad I got a really good deal. I kind of from time to time I like to go, look through all the old Supreme drops. I believe this released around October, November of 2017, towards the end of the year. But a lot of time I like to go back and go through eBay and Grail and look at some of the older releases. A lot of people, they can't get rid of it, so they might just, work with you. Just be patient. You can always get Supreme for under retail. That's it with my pickup. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Supreme pickups. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.